up, good people? Shelby here. Welcome to my channel. Today I got my very first box from Influencer, which is it's a group online that allows individuals to give their feedback and review products online. So I got selected this month for the Laura Mercier box. So if you'd like to see what came in that box, and stay tuned and watch this video. If you are new to my channel or if you are a returning subscriber, please go down to the bottom and leave me a comment, subscribe to the channel, let me know what your thoughts are, and please go ahead and like this video if you like what you see. Without any further ado, let's hop into this video. As you can see, base is already done. I still need to do some bronzing and some highlighting, and I'll definitely get into that pretty soon. But what we're going to start off with is the Laura Mercier Caviar and Chrome collection. This collection features, let's see me read it, Caviar stick eye colors with chrome finishes. There are 6 shades. There is a Caviar Chrome lightweight veil liquid eye color as well. It also comes in the same, not the same 6 shades, but associated 6 shades. The instructions are that you can either use them together or use them separately. I haven't tried the colors yet. I received 2 in the box. This is the Caviar stick eyeshadow in magnetic pink. So you can see that. This is actually, this is really pink. I mean, it's icy, but it's really pretty, and I like this tone of pink. This is nice. Okay, and then the veil topper that has, let's see what kind of applicator this has, because essentially this would be a little bit like a liquid eyeshadow, like the Milani colors that have gotten so popular, the Milani Hypnotic Lights. But the question is it like Stila where it's like opaque, or is it gonna be just a topper? Let's see. Ooh, that's pretty. Wow, that is and she's pretty pigmented. Wow. Okay, and you know, these liquid chrome shadows have become so popular right now. The crayons were popular a while ago. The sticks of shadow were popular a little while ago. I want to say, I think the first one I saw was probably last year, maybe the year before that. Don't quote me on that. I don't have like dates or anything. I don't have any receipts. The liquid shadows have grown really, really popular. I believe one of the first ones was Pure, and then there was Stila, and now Huda is like going hard in the paint. So is of course Milani, and I think NYX has some too. So there's no shortage of options or brands that you can check out to try out these metallic eyeshadows. So I have already primed my lids. I am gonna go in with a transition color. I'm gonna use the same color that I'm gonna use on my face. It's a new color. This for me is the Wet n Wild Color Icon Bronzer in the shade What Shady Beaches. Pun intended, I suppose. I'm going to add a little bit of dimension to my outer corner. I'm going to use this Single by Sleek makeup. It's called No Limit. And I'm going to put that on my outer corner and a little bit in my crease. Going back with that original brush, I'm just going to blend out these edges real quick. Oh, let's see. I think that we should start with the pink in the middle, in the inner corner, and then work our way back out. Maybe put the Caviar Chrome veil right on the lid. So I'm going to take Moonlight. I'm going to start in the middle, in the inner corner. It actually would not be hard to cut the crease with this, in all honesty, because it's a crayon. I'm going to go in with a small brush. I'm just going to buff that in and spread it out a little bit. This is actually pretty sheer. I mean, it's metallic, so it's catching the light for sure. I could just put this all over my lid probably, and it would catch the light, kind of like a topper. But it's not super opaque, in my opinion, and it is moving. It's almost like I would want to set it with something on top of it to make sure that it doesn't go anywhere. I think I have had other eye pencils or shadow pencils that were more opaque and also stayed in place better, I think. It's funny, I think this is showing up better on the monitor than it is in person, or at least it feels like it is to me. Maybe I'm too picky. Of course, I can't be too picky. It's my face, right? Anyway, I'm gonna go in with the veil. Let's see, the Chrome Veil Liquid Eye Color in Moonlight, and put this. Ooh, okay. Ooh, I like this applicator. So I think that I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye. As far as ease of manipulation, I think I definitely like the Chrome Veil more. It's more not just forgiving, but it's also easier to manipulate. Probably have to play around with the pencil to decide if I really thought it was my cup of tea. It definitely does need a few coats though. It's not gonna be super opaque unless you give it a couple coats. Not too many though, because it will, it's like it moves a little bit. Or maybe I'm expecting it to be too opaque. I'm not sure. Anyways, I mean, standing up next to this, like it's, and actually going back with the pink one more time on the inside to help that a little bit. And smoothing it out with my finger. It's passable. Honestly, I think you can probably already tell what my opinion is. I don't love this. I don't. Maybe it's the color. I think it's more the consistency. I'm not loving the Caviar stick, but I do like the Chrome Veil. So this is a yes for me. Trying to give it a chance to redeem itself. Oh, this applicator is pretty thick. It might not work. Let's give it a shot. Oh, well, let's see. It's not bad. It's not great, but it's not bad. It adds a brightness under the eye, I guess. I've been wowed by other things, honestly. Yeah, this is a no for me. I'm gonna go in and line my upper lash line with the Maybelline Master Precise in black. Smudge a little of our shadow underneath. While my lashes dry, I'm gonna go in with a few items for my face. I'm gonna start with What Shady Beaches from the Wet n Wild Color Icon set. I'm using the sleek mirror though, because that bad boy does not have a mirror. I always feel cheated when there's no mirror. Is that just me? Like, it's just not functional. If I can't use it to put on my lashes, it's probably not going to be my favorite thing in my collection. Going in with the shimmery blush from this Sleek palette, which is the Face Form palette. It's a really great palette, has a lot of really good shades in it. I wish that there had been a deeper, contour color, palette in general, because the contour color is too cool for me. It's a little gray. Going in with the blush from the highlighter from this set. I don't think these actually have, I don't think they have names, but they're pretty. So we just keep using them. Ooh. Look at her glow. Look at her glow. Come through, drugstore. Come through. Come through. It's an interesting color. It's definitely giving some glisten without being blinding. It could probably be blinding, but it's not. There's a woman that I follow, and I believe that her technique is incredible, but she did a review recently. Her highlight was so lit, she looked plastic, but that wasn't her intention. And I was just like, okay, I don't know how to say this without offending you, because I like lightweight love you, but your highlight, sis, like it needs a chill pill. Like it needs to take a break. And I guess I wasn't the only one to say something, because I'm gonna put this in my inner corner, because she commented that a lot of us did not like how bright that highlight was. It just looked so fake. She looked fake. And I think that if you are someone who does really dramatic looks, then it should always be in your mind to make it look unless it's supposed to be editorial, to have it look as real but fantastical as possible. And it didn't look fantastical. It just looked fake. I couldn't get behind it. Not that she was like asking for my opinion. I'm just saying, because we're on my channel, I will give you my opinion. And it was too much. Going in with the Plush Lash from Sephora. So my lashes are on, and again, these are the Plush Lash from Sephora. I don't know if, I think Sephora's lashes are underrated. I like how thick their bands are. I like the variety of lash shapes. The price is that's pretty consistent with other people in the market, but the convenience factors there, being able to walk in and grab it and go and know that you're covered is nice. Just spray myself as soon as I figure out where my spray is. Elf spray. So I want to try something different with my lips. I'm going to go in with, I think I'm actually going to use one of the eye products that we used today. So I'm going to go in with a brown base and a black lip liner, and then I'm going to top it with Moonlight. I'm going to go in with the Bite Beauty stick in, let's see, does it have a name? It just says 56. I mean, it's black. So I'm going to start with that. Chocotease from MAC. And this is a retro matte or liquid matte. Let's see, what's it called? Yeah, a retro matte liquid lip color in the middle. I do want this to blend. You could just as easily, I guess, press your lips together if you have perfectly symmetrical lips. When I press mine together, it just spreads. I'm going to take Moonlight and a clean applicator. I'm going to apply it like right in the middle. Using my finger, I'm going to apply some clear gloss. Clear gloss on top? Yeah, clear gloss on top. And this is the Pat McGrath Clear Vinyl Gloss. I got this in a kit a while ago. Just going to lightly pat this. I'm lightly going to pat my pat. All right. All right, I'm kind of here for this. Okay. Okay. All right. This is where we have landed. And here's my verdict. One, I like this. Like, a lot though. I always like doing stuff to my lips. I just generally don't do it because for the most part I try to aim for like wearable, not just like extra or editorial, but I really like the lip. I do want to add some highlight on my brow bone. I realized I didn't do that. But this this foundation from Sleek definitely has me glowing, so like all over. So I don't know if I don't need much. But I love this. I also love this, the bronzer. But most importantly, because that's what the video is about, I think that this is a yes for me. This is a no for me, actually. It was saved by the other things that were on my face. And I think that I could get a better payout and a better experience if I were to use like a pinky gold shadow or even a highlighter or even a cream product over that crayon. The crayon doesn't really, it didn't do anything for me. Like it's working. Yeah, it's working, but it's not my favorite thing. So Laura, if you're listening, Laura Mercier, Miss Mercier, I love this. And I look forward to seeing what other awesome things you come up with. That's it for me, folks. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you do try these products in the future, let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you love them, if you hate them, if you think I'm totally wrong about the metallic pink, or if I used it wrong. I could have used it wrong. Human error. I don't know. Not my error, because according to my mother, I'm perfect. And it's my channel, so what my mom says goes. Yeah? Yeah. All right. Anyways, thank you so much for watching my channel. This is like my second outro. I'm like a Baptist preacher. If you have not already liked, commented, or subscribed, I mean, you're still here. So you must have liked something. Go down to the bottom, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, become a part of the family. And ciao for now.